Burnout recovery. How to heal from chronic stress and fatigue. Imagine waking up every morning fatigued, dreading the day, and wondering about your capacity to continue. Burnout is common in today's fast-paced environment. But what if I told you can recover from chronic stress and fatigue? Learn how to recover your energy and zest for life with us. Watch till the end. This video covers the newest burnout recovery studies and professional perspectives. You'll learn practical ways to overcome chronic stress and exhaustion by watching till the finish. At the end, we'll give a valuable resource to help you become healthy. Number 1. Understanding burnout. Do you ever feel utterly drained, as if normal fatigue is just the tip of the iceberg? There is a tremendous deal more to burnout than average exhaustion. A severe condition of physical, emotional, and mental fatigue that results from continuous and excessive stress is referred to as clinical depression. Individuals are said to be experiencing it when they are subjected to continual demands, often in high-pressure job contexts, without sufficient time for relaxation and recreation. Burnout is a sickness that is characterized by continuous stress in the job that is not well handled, according to the World Health Organization. The condition manifests itself through 3 primary symptoms: mental distance from work, which is characterized by growing detachment, cynicism, and a lack of motivation; energy depletion and exhaustion, which occurs when an individual feels persistently drained and unable to complete simple tasks; and reduced professional efficacy, in which individuals feel ineffective and overwhelmed by their workload. It is crucial to recover from burnout because, in the absence of appropriate management, it may cause substantial impairment to both one's physical and mental health. When it comes to reversing these consequences, timely and effective self-care and support are very necessary. Number 2. The prevalence of burnout. There is a concerningly high incidence of burnout in today's industries. According to the findings of a study that was conducted not too long ago by the American Psychological Association, a sizable proportion of workers display severe signs of burnout. Specifically, 36% of workers reported feeling cognitively exhausted, 32% reported feeling emotionally exhausted, and 44% reported feeling physically exhausted. In comparison to the previous years, these data reflect a shocking rise of 38%, which severely highlights the developing problem in employee well-being and the urgent need for effective measures to manage stress. The implications of these findings reveal a significant problem that needs urgent action. Number 3. Strategies for recovery. Are you ready to explore practical strategies that can help you reclaim your energy? Ensure that you obtain a sufficient amount of restorative sleep each and every night. Sleep is beneficial to your health and helps restore your sense of well-being. Nutrition. In order to meet the requirements of your body, you need to consume a diet that is both well-balanced and abundant in nutrients. Exercise. If you want to improve your mood and your energy levels, you should engage in regular physical exercise. Determine the boundaries. To avoid being overwhelmed by new duties, you should learn to say no to them. In order to avoid overextending yourself, work-life limits should be clearly defined. Seek the assistance of professionals. Think about going to therapy or counseling in order to address the underlying problems that are leading to burnout. Cognitive behavioral therapy, sometimes known as CBT, has been shown to be an effective treatment for the symptoms of burnout. Get in touch with the things that make you happy. It is important to participate in activities and interests that you are enthusiastic about. Invest time with loved ones who are a source of inspiration and encouragement for you. Utilize techniques for relaxation and mindfulness in your daily life. Incorporate into your daily routine activities such as yoga, meditation, or workouts that focus on deep breathing or breathing exercises. These approaches may reduce stress and promote relaxation. Evaluate and make adjustments to the workload. You should discuss your worries about the workload with your employer or supervisor. Try to make improvements that will assist you in efficiently managing your stress levels. Establish and cultivate healthy coping mechanisms. Discover constructive methods to deal with stress, such as keeping a diary or participating in creative activities, rather than resorting to harmful behaviors as a means of coping with it. In order to cultivate social connections, you should establish a network of support consisting of friends, family members, or co-workers who are able to understand and provide aid. Number 4, the path to recuperation. The process of recovering from burnout is one that is slow and ever-changing, and it requires patience and perseverance. It is of the utmost importance to have a clear understanding that the process of healing does not occur overnight, and that the path back to wellness may entail both setbacks and progressive movements forward. Consistently implementing proven beneficial tactics can rejuvenate one's energy, drive, and overall health. To begin, make self-care a top priority by ensuring that you get enough sleep, eat healthy food, and exercise on a regular basis. You may better manage your workload and stress levels by establishing clear limits. Practices of relaxation and mindfulness should be included in your daily routine. With the passage of time and dedication, you will become aware of incremental enhancements that will eventually culminate in substantial and long-lasting alterations, assisting you in regaining equilibrium and your sense of purpose and vigor. Remind yourself that even the smallest of steps counts as a milestone on the road to recovery. Number 5. What comes next? Would you like to learn even more effective stress management techniques to boost your mental health? Have you wondered how to manage stress and improve mental health? If this is the case, you should definitely watch our comprehensive video on effective stress management techniques. The purpose of this all-encompassing book is to provide you with a variety of useful instructions and methods that are intended to assist you in developing resilience and navigating the problems that life presents with better ease. We investigate a wide range of potential methods for alleviating anxiety and improving general well-being, ranging from short, relaxing relaxation exercises and mindfulness practices to more in-depth, long-term strategies. Because each method is broken down into its component parts, it will be easy for you to incorporate these practices into your regular routine. These practical insights may enable you to reclaim control and enhance your quality of life, regardless of whether you are dealing with the pressures that you experience on a daily basis or more serious issues. Make sure you don't pass up this chance to improve your mental health by watching our video right now and getting started on the path to being a more composed and resilient version of yourself. In conclusion, burnout is difficult to overcome, but with the right strategies and support, it is doable. Make self-care a priority, set boundaries, get expert help, and reconnect with pleasure to recover. Remember to be patient with yourself on this journey. Watch our next video on stress management for more information and tools. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.